Hi guys, welcome
to our channel.
Anyway, so we about to try this sandwich that everybody been talking about. You know, we want to say it's good. If it's about food, we there. It's the Popeye sandwich chicken. I heard that you could get it regular or spicy. I'm gonna get it spicy. Can you please? You can't see my face.
Oh.
Yeah. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna get the spicy one. Are you gonna get spicy or regular?
I'll get spicy, girl.
All right. This is my water because I'm ready. She ready.
Yo, you know spicy food when you shit it make your blood hurt.
I been eating too much. No, I ate too much spicy food that it doesn't do that to me though.
Really? Every time I eat spicy something, oh,
your booty be on fire.
Be on fire, girl.
Nah.
That's why I can't go too spicy.
Nope, not me. I don't know. I'm used to it. Maybe because I was eating it since I was a kid or something. But anyway, I got my water. We're doing this challenge. Please get on it. It's like 1 gallon of water
a day.
You know what to? Yeah, put this away from me because I'm driving. I want to be safe. Not me. I need to put a bra. Jeez. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can't be seeing me like that. But yeah, so we driving. We going there.
Oh my God. Then we're going to Chick-fil-A.
You okay?
Yeah, let's go get that chicken, Iman. Look at you, running. She running to go get that chicken. Okay, calm down. Iman, walk slower.
I heard that it's sold out in a lot of places.
That's crazy.
Oh. When you haven't been hit. That is just my first time going to Popeye. So I don't eat.
That's my first one too. This one? Let me pick you, man. This will be well.
Oh, my line is showing. Yeah, what are you getting? How much is it? This is only one.
So it's like for two.
So two is basically $9.
And that's just for like a fry.
So that's what we got. Okay.
Ready to put that cholesterol on our stomach.
Yeah.
Ugh, I better go run tomorrow. 6 miles.
High cholesterol.
Period.
This better taste like down south, Caribbean-ish, flavor-ish chicken, because, you know,
Let me see if I can do
it was like $10.
Can make a healthy meal at home for that.
Hi, I'm from Tennessee. And I'm the only fan you'll see.
One eternity later.
Good afternoon, because like this is crazy.
So I'm unpacking my food. Oh my God.
No. First you have to say how much we waited for. How long?
30 minutes.
Yo, we waited for 30 minutes. There's like mad people, and people are ordering like 5, 6, 7 like spicy chickens. And the person just like, I don't know, she looked frustrated.
This is what she gave me for fries. Like what kind of fries we buy? Medium fries?
That's how we haven't bought Popeyes for a long time. And I know like the last time I got Popeyes, which was years ago, I'm talking about like 5, 6 years ago, they used to put them in a box when you order fries, right?
Really?
Because you pay like $2 and something, and they just put it in a freaking bag, and that's it. Like, that's fucking ridiculous. Like, look. And I went back and I'm like, hey, is that how it's supposed to be? And she just add more fries.
She's like, Pim, you next.
She's like,
bitch, bye. Next. Yeah, here's the fries.
Anyway, whatever. So, alright. Anyway, presentation, guys. This is how the spicy chicken sandwich look like.
Yo, what the fuck is this shit?
I know.
Yo, Wendy's. Like, if I ever start eating fast food again, you're gonna be my to-go because this is bullshit. Like, what
I think because people order like so many.
Where's the lettuce?
I think because there were so many people ordering food that like they were just trying to hurry up, so they really don't care.
And we forgot to said no pickles. We don't eat pickles up in here. The only pickles we eat is
half of the bread is cold in mine.
Oh my God. Are we really gonna put this in our body now?
What? Because it went viral? That is so sad. They put 1 pickles. Yo, how many pickles they give you?
1, 2, 3.
I don't like pickles, but
Bobby.
damn, they're cheap.
I can't.
And it's so cold here. It's so cold. Oh my god.
The lady that was taking an order, she's like, I'm about to be out of here in 2 minutes. Like, y'all better hurry up.
Minutes, but yeah.
Okay. Jesus.
This is what
Trying to be exaggerating.
yeah. And this is how the chicken look like.
I'm so scared. Sorry,
Alright.
coach.
I know. Like,
I'm gonna be running 6 miles tomorrow. Lose that 1,000 calorie because I think this is at least 2,000 calories. I don't even know.
yeah, I don't know. We'll check it out online or something. But anyway, this is like come out like $10. So I guess it's like probably $4 something. So I guess it's like probably $4 something. I don't know. Alright, let's check it out. Ready?
Hold on. Let me finish with the fry. I want to mix the taste.
I'm hungry. Let's hurry up. Alright, ready?
Hold on. Got to chew. Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's all the fuzz about? It's not even spicy. It's not even the right order.
Hold on. One thing I would say, it's very oily. It does have like a couple flavors and stuff. It's
Yes, flavors, but not spicy.
it's not spicy.
It's like Maggi.
Right? Maybe they just recognize that they probably use Maggi and their little flavor thing that they be using.
The adobo thing.
Yeah, it tastes a little bit like Maggi.
Or maybe we have the wrong order. I don't taste any spiciness.
It's not spicy, but it has like a kick to it.
I don't get any kick.
Mine has a little kick gun and stuff. I don't know if it's the sauce over here that I'm eating, and they put like mayo, and it's very greasy. If you really want to have high cholesterol, this is your shit. It's really greasy.
I hope I don't die after eating
And
this.
yo, oh my god.
Am I gaining weight yet? I don't see all the hypes because
It's a
this
little
shit
salty,
doesn't actually. I'll eat it because I bought it. $5, like,
right?
but
It's a little salty too.
yeah, my bread is cold.
It's not spicy. Yeah, a part of my bread is cold too. I think the bread is normally cold, but because the chicken is supposed to be hot, so it's kind of like half hot, half cold.
Wendy's all the time.
Wendy's spicy chicken tastes better.
Definitely. This shit is fat. Is like salty, greasy,
And oily. I think because
it's crunchy, but
it's crunchy. It does have flavor. If you're a person not used to flavor, you're gonna be like, this is bomb.com. But because we like Caribbean, we used to flavor. We know flavor. It does have flavor, but it's not like the hype that people talking about. Then people need to try Haitian food. Shit, right? Yeah. And I think because they make the chicken itself. Let me taste the chicken by itself.
this is for the store. Yeah, I'm eating it.
Yeah. The chicken itself is not like very flavorful. It's the sauce that they put on it. They put this mayo, Cajun with different type of spice sauce that's in the sandwich that make it has like a lot of flavor. But the chicken itself, it's not flavorful.
Throw the whole shit away. Yeah, I don't see the whole why people are making a big deal about it. Y'all really need to go to some Haitian restaurant, Jamaican restaurant, and eat some good ass food, because this shit, millions and millions of people are like talking how great this shit is, and Maybe I got the wrong chicken.
Girl, you didn't get the wrong chicken.
Maybe. But I don't even know. Like,
you see the grease? I don't even think you actually see it.
what is this? Is this supposed to be cayenne pepper?
Yeah, that's what I said. They use mayo with a different type of flavor.
They just
mixed
patch some freaking cayenne pepper in this shit and call it
At least didn't. I hate when I order spicy sandwiches or spicy chicken.
And they put the sauce.
Oh my god, that pissed me off.
Buffalo.
Anyway, overall, this is a lesson. Don't follow trends. Just because someone says something is good doesn't mean it's actually good.
Especially when million people are saying.
We're not saying it's not good, but what we're saying that people make it like a big hype, but it's not like it's not all
to
that.
distract the fact that the Amazon is on fire. That's why it is.
Right.
The fry is good though.
One thing I would say, I think the fry is salty. I tried the fry like 5 years ago. The fry used to be on point. Now I don't know what's going on with them.
See, different taste buds.
Yeah.
That's a different reaction.
I think the sandwich, it's a little bit salty, and it's a little bit oily. It does have the flavor. I just wish it was a little bit
spicier. I don't know. Anyway, guys, we're gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'll have more videos coming up. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay. So this was the Popeye sandwich chicken review. I don't know. Yeah. So bye.
Right. We are Haitian sisters. We make one big happy family, but we don't look the same.